Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change opacity on CapCut on PC. With the help of changing opacity on CapCut, you'll be able to showcase how visible the video can be. To change opacity on CapCut on PC, first open your CapCut application on your PC. Now here, you can click on New Project and select a video that you want to continue with, or you can also select a specific project that you have saved. After this, now here you'll be able to see your video. On down, you can see the line representing your video. Click on the given line. Then here on the right side, here you can see opacity option on the given box. You can see that the opacity is 100%. Now you can click on the small arrow present on the 100% box to change the opacity, or you can click on the toggle and move the toggle to adjust the opacity of the video. With this, you can change the opacity on CapCut on PC. Now you can click on export option present on the top right and then download the video. This is how we can change opacity on CapCut on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.